If you're looking for an affordable yet powerful VPN in 2025, Surfshark is one of the best options on the market. It's secure, fast, and packed with features that make browsing, streaming, and working online both safe and convenient. In this video, I'll walk you through Surfshark's pros and cons, and at the end, I'll show you how to grab an exclusive Surfshark VPN coupon code so you can save money right away. Let's start with the advantages. Surfshark gives you unlimited device connections under one account, something most other VPNs don't offer. That means you can protect your phone, laptop, tablet, smart TV, and even your family's devices without paying extra. Security-wise, Surfshark uses industry-standard AES-256 encryption, a strict no-logs policy, and extras like CleanWeb, which blocks ads, trackers, and malware. When it comes to performance, Surfshark is great for streaming and gaming. It can unblock Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, and many other platforms, while still keeping speeds fast enough for HD and even 4K streaming. Their servers cover over 100 countries, giving you plenty of options to access content worldwide. Now for the downsides. While Surfshark is very affordable, some of its advanced features, like dedicated IP or extra security bundles, come at an additional cost. Also, while support is available 24/7, it's mostly chat-based, so if you prefer phone support, that might feel limited. Overall, Surfshark VPN is one of the best value-for-money VPNs in 2025. Unlimited devices, strong security, and reliable streaming, all at a lower price compared to many competitors. And here's the good news. You don't need to pay the full price. Right now, you can grab an exclusive Surfshark coupon code at TechShield Reviews. To make it even easier, I've also left the direct link in the pinned comment and description. Just click it, and the discount will be applied automatically at checkout. So if you're ready to protect your privacy online, unblock content, and save money, Surfshark is a fantastic choice with the coupon code. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like it, drop a comment with your thoughts on Surfshark, and subscribe for more VPN tips and cybersecurity deals.